ways of keeping for you.
In my financial situation.
What you got?
Now I was raised in a sandbox next to you and her. You was holding a handgun. She was giving birth to a baby born to be just like you. I wonder what's that's worth. I wonder if you ever knew you was a role model to me first. You told me, don't be like me, just finish watching cartoons. Which is funny now, cause all I see is wily coyotes in the room. And I run it. And I run it. And I run it. And I run it. That's ironic. I run it. That's ironic. I run it. That's ironic.
This shit make a nigga just wanna shit hone everybody, even with a pot to piss in. How my aim sloppy at a loud mouth. Discharge, dismiss any business of yours. Discounts never did amount to a check that your ass couldn't cash when the shit bounce. Everything dismounts, niggas gon' flip that car. AKs for the whole hood, house lit went down perfect. 2 shots to the head, he deserve it. Overheard it, hit my bed with a bowl and remote control. Dark wing duck lost service. Mama said I better duck, she's nervous. Drama all up in the cut, hit the curtains. I mean, don't intervene with no gun machine. This block stay jerking, the feds stay lurking, emerging on everybody corner. Well, I'ma tell you like this, I've been running this shit since I asked for cartoons and cereal.
She was giving birth to a baby born to be just like you. I wonder what's that's worth. I wonder if you ever knew you was a role model to me first. You told me, don't be like me, just finish watching cartoons. Which is funny now, cause all I see is wily coyotes in the room. And I run it. And I run it. And I run it. And I run it. That's ironic. I run it. That's ironic. I run it.
Salt all of my wounds, hear my tears, all of my tunes. Let my life loose in this booth, just for you, motherfucker. Hope y'all amused.
And I run it. And I run it. And I run it. That's ironic.
In my financial situation.
For deliberation in later.
Look, popular pie plants pictured here.
Wile E. Coyote. Wile E. Coyote.
At work, you don't think about me. Work is where you forget, which is useful, but things left come back. The people you've lost, the things that scare you, that which makes you more. I am with you now. You see, you think, you see. I appear slowly, the way the tide recedes to reveal the shore. The rock, the stream, shadows shifting, where the body cuts through water, moves with and against at turns. The place where you look out at is the same as to be. You know the river as well as your own hand, free from anything but one moment linked to the next. And how to make that hand fly. You are here, and if this is how to pass the time, it is also how to lose it. Your demons come to me as faces, lost but reappearing. At the portage, something misjudged. A moment burned into your head, evaporated. Where there once was a person, simply not. Every day, a little piece of yourself floats away, and another comes to stand in its place. Living a constant compromise. Where are you now? How quickly? How easily? How impermanent? How many times have you been able to come face to face and move on? What is it you run from and to? It is not an easy thing to know how to live, what to overcome and what to take with you. The trees are not just shadow and so much light, but trees between other trees. And you are here with yourself, who is also me. Close your eyes. Why do this still? It is not the risk, the fear, or even you, but the belief that the true state of humans is joy. And it is much a matter of choosing.
Lucid lovers, me and you, a deal of matchless value. I was always quick to admit defeat, empty statements of bones and meat, and my heart shook with fear. I'm a coward behind a shield and spear. Take this sword and throw it far. Let it shine.